Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you
the Recoil Lighter. Check out the channels in this mail call. Look for the links in this video's description and tell them Pappy sent ya.
Right on, right on, right on. Pappy's Mail Corner Call number 4 coming up.
It's mail call number 5, you goofball.
If you want to grow your channel, look for channels like this that have mail calls. You know that we are active, caring, and supporting channels to help you grow. Well, okay, I've got 4 mail calls to get through here. And the first one is, this was my 17th sticker, comes from Rusty Glovebox. There is his sticker, plus I have a magnet. How cool is that? A little note here that says, "Hello, Pappy. Keep up the great work, buddy. I've enjoyed your humor and videos. Thanks, Rusty Glovebox, aka Lloyd." Well, thank you, Rusty Glovebox. And the 18th mail call that I got is from the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. This comes from George Donner. Thanks for following along with my projects on the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. So we'll get that up on the board. And number 19. I have a sticker and a card that comes from Dee over at Native Tearz. Native Tearz Garden and Outdoors. Here's her sticker. Here's her card. Thank you, Dee. And on the back, it's got her Gmail address, nativetearz@gmail.com. So we'll get Dee's sticker up on there. She included a little note here. It says, a quick note to say thank you for your very awesome mail and all the channel support. Stay awesome, Miss Dee, Native Tearz. We'll get that up. And the 20th mail call I have is from Redneck Manufacturing. There's their cool sticker. And I have 3 of them. Count them, 1, 2, 3. But what I did get, and I apologize, I had to open it. Can't send me a package without me opening it. It's a t-shirt. See how cool this is? When you get to trading stickers, you start getting t-shirts. This is my first t-shirt, and it comes from Redneck Manufacturing. How cool is that? And on the back, Redneck Manufacturing, a YouTube channel. All right. Well, thank you so much. I'll get these up on the board. Okay, I've got the magnet on there for Rusty Glovebox and all the stickers up on the board. So I'll go ahead and give a zoom in right there. Shade Tree Fix-It Man. It's a new one. There's Rusty Glovebox's sticker. Redneck Manufacturing. That's where this t-shirt right here came from. Native Tearz Garden and Outdoors on YouTube. A great channel. Check her out. And all these other great channels. 20 all total to this point, and they're high quality channels that will support you and your channel. So if you want to grow your channel, come here, check them out. Thanks for coming to the corner today. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.